Sanmonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Tirelo post a status on her Instagram stories, which I think gives a bit of clarity to something that I've been asking myself. One thing I've been saying, you guys, that I've never heard Tirelo speak about marriage when it comes to her and Umpumelelo. Yeah, I've never heard her speak about it in any of her lives on TV. Maybe it's something that she speaks about in private, angazi, but she puts up the status and it reads as follows. It says, dating to marry allows you to put up with nonsense because you visualized a future and didn't focus on the present. Date to be happy, and if it happens, it turns into marriage, you'll be getting exactly what you wanted. I think this kind of answers the question of, does Tirelo really even want to get married to Mpumelelo? Because she's never spoken anything about positions. Someone even asked, how do you feel that now you are going to be number 3? And she's like, number 3, yani, because I'm not in a competition. So she doesn't acknowledge any of those things. So basically, she put up the status knowing very well that she shares the very same sentiments that as the same person who actually wrote the status or wrote those words, which is that do not date to marry, and that maybe she as well does not have the intentions of dating to marry. At the moment, she is not thinking about marriage. She is just, her main focus and her main aim in the relationship is just to be happy. I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think. In my head, I think dating to marry is very important, because why are we going to waste one another's time like that? But I do acknowledge that for some people, marriage is not the goal and marriage is not an achievement. Maybe Tirelo is one of those people. Marriage is not the goal and marriage is not the achievement. But I do realize that the older you get, there is a level of commitment you want from your partner, and marriage offers you that. I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think. Do you think dating with the purpose of marriage robs you of the opportunity of, or robs you because ubegazela izinto eziningi in the name of you visualize or you see your future with this person? Or should a person just date to be happy? I think you can possibly, or I think it's very much possible to do both of them. You can date to marry while still focusing on on while still focusing on being happy. But anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you in the next one.